Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chika and this is Mom's Niche Diary. To all my old subscribers, thank you so much for your love. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your amazing support. Thank you so much for all your lovely comments. I enjoy reading them. And if this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, you are highly welcome. I'd love to have you here. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a video. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you the different ways you can make use of your rice cooker at home. Yes, you can use your rice cooker to do so much more, like a lot. You can use your rice cooker for so many amazing recipes, and I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things I do with my rice cooker. So this is my rice cooker and I've been using it for quite some time now, and it comes in really handy. And I'm going to be showing you today the different recipes I make with my rice cooker. So if this is the kind of content you like watching, then please sit down, relax, don't go anywhere, stay tuned and enjoy today's video. So the first on my list is Moimoi. You can enjoy this food in so many ways. You can take it with pap, with custard, with oats, with rice. All you need to do is grease your rice cooker, pour in your butter, close and allow it to cook, and then you can enjoy your Moimoi. The second recipe is the tilapia fish and potatoes. All I did was spice up my fish and my potatoes. I placed it in the rice cooker, closed it and allow it to cook. I did not use water for this recipe. Do you know you can boil your eggs with your rice cooker? So I do this a lot. I boil my eggs with my rice cooker. So easy and so convenient. The next on my list is rice. Of course, that's why it's called a rice cooker. You can make your rice in your rice cooker. As you can see, this is steaming hot. The rice is ready and you can serve with your stew, your vegetable sauce, your eforivo, your banga, anything you like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now would be a good time to subscribe. And if you've been enjoying this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up. The next on my list is Zobo, also known as hibiscus drink or tea. All you need to do is put it into your rice cooker, allow it boil, and your Zobo drink is ready. The next on my list is this delicious recipe. I have a video, a detailed video, and I'm going to leave this in the description box. This is chicken and potatoes made in a rice cooker without water. So this is the last one. You can use your rice cooker to boil water. So let me know if you want to see more rice cooker recipe. You can use your rice cooker to boil water for your kids' bath. You always need that boiling water in the kitchen, and your rice cooker comes in handy. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and please let me know in the comment section the different recipes you make with your rice cooker. I would love to learn from you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye for now. Love you and God bless you.